Hello everyone, Cindy here with Monarch Mom DIY. Thank you so much for joining me today on my channel where I love to bring you my best tips and tools for creating beautiful home decor on a budget. Today I am bringing you the first in a new series I'm going to be starting here on my channel, giving you some tips on how I organize my crafting space here in my office. So sometimes companies want to send me items to share with you. Sometimes it's going to be just things that I use a lot and people ask me about. So I hope you guys really enjoy this series. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more videos like this. So today I'm bringing you a piece of furniture from YITAHOME. They sent it to me. You can purchase these items on Amazon as well. It's technically called a kitchen trolley, but I'm going to show you first of all how the package came, how it was organized, how I put it together, and how I'm using it here in my craft room. So with all that being said, let's get building. So here is the box as it came to me from the company. You can see it is packaged very, very securely with lots of styrofoam and great instructions, a customer support number to call if needed. And here's just a quick flip through. You can see all the parts there, tells you how many you should have, and picture instructions with great detail. These made it really easy to put this together, and I put it together myself in about 1 hour's time. Just flipping through the little booklet here to give you an idea. Now, one thing that was really impressive to me was all the hardware was individually labeled baggies, really easy to follow along. Again, here's what the pieces looked like. They're packaged very, very well. And I'm just going to give you some highlights of me putting the pieces together. The box comes with a mini screwdriver as well as an Allen wrench. I did realize that some of the hardware pieces, there were like one extra screw in the bag, which was, I think, a great idea, just in case, you know, one is short or you drop one where you can't reach it, you can still put your item together. So this was basically step one. I'm just going to give you some highlights, and notice I did throw away all the styrofoam, but I did keep the open cardboard box. This was great to have a nice surface to build the trolley on. Another thing that I found flawless with this design is that all of the holes that you needed were pre-drilled. They were all lined up perfectly, which made this even easier to put together. Here in this picture, you can also see how each of the pieces has a little number sticker on them. Everything was labeled perfectly, which when I just laid out all the pieces in number order, it made finding them and putting them together according to the directions even easier. Once the trolley itself was put together, the last step was to put together the 3 drawers. These are the fronts of the drawers, and then I'll show putting one of the actual drawers onto the front. So here is the finished kitchen trolley. You can see it's got a raised edge shelf and then 2 open shelves. Then on the right hand side, 3 drawers. This is a really nice pine wood top. It's got some very durable casters on the bottom. Here you can see inside the drawers there is a little dowel that stops the drawer from falling all the way out, and it is just on 2 tracks on either side of the drawer. This can hold up to 300 pounds and I love it. So I just want to show you how I am using this here, and I'll show this in another video, is my desk that I work at. So off to my right hand side is my trolley. You can see I have it going along the side. I do attach my tripod here for my iPad, but if I come around here, you can see I've got glue sticks in a little basket on the top that I can grab as I need. I've got my scrapbooking or paper crafting adhesives here in a little basket I can pull out. And then down on the bottom, I have my photo printer. Now, if I come around the front here, on the top is usually where I have my tubs of water, where I can put my stencils when I'm stenciling until I can get around to cleaning them. And then here in my drawers, let's see, in the top I have some paper crafting tools like punches and things like that. In my second drawer, I have other random tools like my little saw, my hammer, my pliers, my tin snips that I use all the time. And then down here on the bottom, I have my heat gun and my other small mini glue guns. Like I said, this has really durable casters, which do have locks or brakes on 2 of them so they don't move around. But I'm super excited about this. It looks really nice. And actually the top kind of matches my desk there. So it makes it look really classy, but I could see using this in a craft room. You could even use this just as your crafting space if you're limited on space. So I hope you guys liked this, and we'll be showing some more things from my craft room very soon. Again, thanks so much for joining me today. Please let me know in the comments what you thought of this video, what products that you've seen me use maybe in other videos you would like to see me review, and we'll see you next time. Take care.